Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Update firmware and have the case charged. Once done, open the case near your iPhone and accept the pairing prompt so the sensors register correctly. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are on. This lets the earbuds share sensor data with the phone. Tap through the initial setup and keep both buds in your ears for the first calibration sequence. This immediate sequence trains the in-ear and skin detect sensors to read fit and motion accurately for subsequent actions. Now calibrate and learn the sensors. You'll run the ear tip fit test to confirm the skin detect and seal readings, which improves automatic ear detection. While wearing them, practice force sensor gestures. Single squeeze to play /pause, double to skip, press and hold for noise control, so your muscle memory aligns with the sensor response. Make incremental adjustments to fit and toggle active noise cancellation versus transparency from control center to observe how sensors change audio behavior. Finish by optimizing reliability and knowing how to troubleshoot. If in-ear detection or force sensing becomes erratic, reset the AirPods Pro 2 by placing them in the case and holding the back button until the light flashes amber then white. This clears most software glitches. Clean sensor ports gently with a dry, lint-free cloth to remove oil or debris that blocks detection. If issues persist, test each earbud separately to determine whether the problem is hardware. If so, contact Apple support for repair options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.